If you've ever needed to break text apart in AutoCAD, whether it's regular single-line text or MText, this video is going to help you do it quickly and correctly. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to explode text and MText in AutoCAD step by step so you can turn editable text into separate objects when your workflow requires it. This is especially useful when you need to modify text as geometry, work with imported drawings, or prepare content for special editing tasks. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and make sure you subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and simple software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's start with regular text. This is the simplest case, and AutoCAD gives you a built-in command for it. On your keyboard, type explode, then press enter. You can also use the command line, which is the fastest way to access it. Once the command is active, click on the text object that you want to break apart. Make sure you select the correct text before continuing, because the explode command will act on whatever object you choose. After selecting the text, press enter again to complete the command. At this point, AutoCAD will process the text and explode it into its individual components, depending on the object type and how it was created. If the text was simple enough, it may now behave differently in your drawing as separate geometry instead of editable text. That's the basic process for exploding text in AutoCAD, and it only takes a few seconds once you know the command. Now let's move on to MText, which is a little different. MText is often used for larger blocks of editable text, so the standard explode command may not always give you the exact result you want. In many AutoCAD versions, the command you want is TXTEXP, so type TXTEXP and press enter. If your version supports it, this command will convert MText into exploded text objects. After the command starts, select the MText object you want to explode. Again, make sure you click the right text block, especially if your drawing has multiple notes or labels. Once the MTEXT is selected, press enter to run the command. AutoCAD will then convert that MTEXT into exploded components. If you don't see TXTEXP available in your version, don't worry. Some versions, setups, or toolkits may handle text conversion differently. In those cases, you may need to check your AutoCAD command options, your version features, or use alternative workflows depending on what you're trying to achieve. But in most cases, TXTEXP is the command people use specifically for MText explosion. A quick reminder before you use these commands too often. Exploding text means you are changing it from editable text into another form, so you may lose the ability to simply type and edit it like normal text afterward. That's why it's always a good idea to make a copy of your drawing or save a backup before making major changes. That way, if you need to go back, you always have the original text preserved. So to recap, for text, type explode, select the text and press enter. For MText, type TXTEXP if it's available, select the MText and press enter. That's the fastest way to handle both types of text in AutoCAD when you need them exploded. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.